Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create a wildcard subdomain using Cloudflare and cPanel. So for that, you have to visit your cPanel, then you will find option domains, or you can simply search in search bar domains. After clicking here, you will find a option create a domain. You have to click here. Then you have to select in the domain field, you have to add start dot your domain. Then you will find a option for selecting the document root. You can see it's by default creating wildcard.tzsmm.xyz. Okay, we can keep it. Now you have to click on submit. Now if we try to visit any of our subdomain like anything, you can see it's saying that DNS Pro finished NX domain. That means our subdomain has no IP, but as it is a wildcard subdomain, it should load the wildcard directory if there is no subdomain existing. So it's coming because we haven't added our wildcard subdomain in our Cloudflare. So we have to visit our Cloudflare, then we have to add a record. In the name, we have to add star, and in the IPv4 address, we have to add our server's address, server's IP address. Then we have to click on save. Now after saving, if we come to our file manager and create a file named index.html, and here if we add some HTML element here like h1 hello world, and if we save, so if we refresh our subdomain, you can see it's coming hello world, which we have written in wildcard.tzsm.xyz, but our subdomain is a random string. Now if we add here anything for any subdomain, it will load the wildcard subdomain directory. Any script you can run here as your website runs. So I can add here anything. I have added two. Now you can see if I visit any of the domains subdomain, we'll be able to visit. So that's how you can create your wildcard subdomain using cPanel and Cloudflare. In this case, sometimes cPanel doesn't give you SSL certificate for all of your subdomains. So using Cloudflare is the best choice for using wildcard subdomain. When you enable proxy in Cloudflare, it gives you SSL for every subdomain you are using. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching our today's video.